the LinkedIn Lab is to prepare you for what's to come. Meaning, you're eventually going to need a job and you're eventually going to have one of these profiles. You might already have one, great, but we're going to get it set up. Okay, so hopefully you have my webpage pulled up. I'm going to use this as an example. First thing you got to realize is that just put in any and all information you can into it. Put a picture in, put your name, put your address. All that will increase the strength of your profile. Okay. Next thing I want you to do is look at the summary associated with mine. I'm going to try to read mine off here. Okay. So, hear me out. Mine's experienced collegiate educator derived from student success. Subject matter expert of geotechnical engineering and the philosophy of sustainability. Data analysis professional, Microsoft Excel, design software specialist, AutoCAD, Civil, and an advocate for sustainable future integrated with global education. Sounds glorious, doesn't it? So, I've seen a movie before. It's called Half Baked on Dave Chappelle back in the old days. Anyway, he starts the movie off and he says, you know, I am a custodial engineer. And man, that sounds good, doesn't it? So, instead of a janitor, that is. So, let's go back over these bullet points right quick in a more simple offense. Okay, number 1, I graduated. Number 2, I graduated with this degree. Number 3, I know how to click buttons in Excel. Number 4, I can click buttons in these programs. And the last one, go green. Okay, so you're going to realize it's really just all about how you present your material. Okay, next thing we're going to do now, job experience. Okay, everyone should have a job. If you don't, you can use this class as a job. Okay, what you're going to need to do, use mine as an example, but you need to essentially pay attention to the job responsibilities. They always need to start with a verb: provide, educate, serve. Okay, that's going to be one thing I'm looking at, because there's a responsibility, it's an action, you're a verb, you're performing it. Okay. Certifications, if you have any, I think that's like everyone has education. Okay, you need to put that in there. Languages, like I said, some people have more than others. Volunteer work, okay? For your experiences, you don't want to put the lemonade stand you had when you were in 3rd grade, okay? However, volunteer work, you can go back as long as you want. I think if you look at mine, there's like a Boys and Girl Club on there from like 2000 something. So you realize that wasn't yesterday, but I still donated my time and volunteered. Okay, honors and awards, projects, skills. Oh, I don't have any skills. Oh, guess what? Type in Microsoft Word and it comes up. Microsoft Excel comes up. If you can log into a computer, you can put Windows XP down. Okay, so add as many as you want. At some point, you'll just realize it's pretty cut and dry. The last thing I need you to do is connect with me, just because down the road, you never know what opportunities will come. So those are the things you need to address in the assignment. I think the biggest thing is you got to copy your link into a Word document and then submit that via Blackboard. If I can't click on your link, I can't give you a grade, okay? So I showed you an example of what it is. It's about clear as dry. I probably would click on it just to double check. Please email me if you have any questions regarding this assignment.